Hello, in this tutorial I will go through how you can bring your BIM model into Google 3D Maps. We will be using Cesium 3D tiles and Datasmith importer for CAD and BIM files. I will also go through how to add third-person game mode into your level. After you have learned this, you can start to explore your world and start using all amazing Unreal Engine tools to make your dreams and needs to come true. If you are not familiar with Cesium for Unreal plugin, I recommend you to watch my tutorial how to bring Google to Unreal Engine. In that tutorial I have gone through how to get Cesium plugin working, how to bring Google 3D Maps to Unreal, and how to change your location in the world. Okay, let's get started. I have selected my position in this location at Helsinki, Finland. First, what should be done is place origin near the place where you want to bring your model. So select Cesium's georeference from outliner and from details click place georeference origin here. To be able to bring BIM model into Unreal Engine, we need to enable some plugins. So go to Window Plugins and search Datasmith. We need two plugins from here. We need Datasmith importer and Datasmith CAD import. After restart, you should have a new command here, Datasmith filing. First, it will ask the location of your BIM file. I will be using IFC files here. Click open, and I will be using default options here and import. It will take a couple of seconds and your model will be imported into your level. And you can translate the location and set the correct position from your model by translate gizmo. Cesium dynamic pawn defines the place where it starts when you run your level in the game mode. So you should change the location of the dynamic pawn somewhere where do you want to start your game. After that, you can try your level in game mode, and with the help of WASD keys, you can fly through your level and investigate your level with the BIM model. Next step is to add a third-person character. So go to the content browser, add feature or content pack, and from the list select third person and add to project. It will take a couple of seconds to load into project. After it has loaded, go to the world settings, and from world settings select game mode and game mode override, and you should select it PP third person game mode. And you should also delete the dynamic form from the outliner. After that, we can, before starting the game, we should add actor from the place actors. Select the player start and drag it into your level. And we also need plane below our player start position. Otherwise, our player character will drop below the ground, and that's not good. So position the plane below the player start object. I will slightly move it. Okay, now it's good enough. After that, we can try to play our new level. So play this level, and now we should get third person character, and we can start exploring our level by using the WASD keys. Our BIM model, it does not contain any colliders. If you want to learn how to add automatically colliders to all BIM objects, check my other tutorials. You can change between the game modes from the world settings just by changing the game mode override. So now I'm back to default game mode, and when I run the game, I can use WASD keys and I'm flying through my level. If you are missing the clouds in your level, you can get the clouds from the place actors and just search for clouds and volumetric cloud and drag it into your level, and you get the nice clouds in the sky. If you want to change the time of the day, select the Cesium sunscape from the outliner and go to details and time zone. And by changing this value, you can define the sun position and time of the day. And you can always have some fun and go and fly and see how your level looks at the top of the clouds. This was my tutorial this time. Hopefully you learned something new. There is so much you can do with Unreal Engine and Cesium plugin. I recommend trying Cesium fly-to component. You can easily create fly-throughs between different locations. Here I have created two different Cesium globe anchor locations, and I can easily fly between locations with the help of Cesium functions, which I have implemented to level blueprint. I also recommend trying Cesium cartographic polygon to clip areas from Google Map, and you can replace the cutted parts with your own assets. Here I have cutted some parts of the map and replaced the area with my own assets. That's all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe to see my future videos. Bye!